Hi, this is Hashvant Vijay Balamurugan. I am from MSc Cloud Computing and my roll number is 22106-227. For this project, I've installed Ubuntu and I've created a virtual machine named Scalable project for this report. So, in this virtual machine is allotted base memory of 8000 MB with 8 processors, and also video memory of 16 MB. And what we need the most is the storage. So, I've allotted a storage of 80 GB for this virtual machine to run properly. So what I've done here is with the help of command prompt, I've installed the required Python packages and Jupyter Notebook, and also after installing everything, with the use of the command PySpark, where I've started the server. So here you can see my server, which is 221062227 underscore scalable cloud programming project. So in here I'm gonna execute my project here. So as you can see from the first line of code, I'm importing the Spark session from pyspark.sql, and also the structure type, structure field, string type, and etc. And also we are giving the session an app name called logs. And after that, we are structuring the type for alert, timestamp, dates, notes, timestamp, etc. And also after that, we are reading the CSV file, which is bglnew.log, and we are giving a format for the date and time, which is in here year, month, and date. And for timestamp, we're just adding the minutes and seconds later on. And we're I have printed the log file here, and after printing that, we get the log files in the allotted format, which only shows the top 20 rows in this program. So we are also creating a temporary view called logs here. So diving into the question, my first question is question number 3, which asks about the total number of fatal logging trees that occurred on a Monday, which resulted from mission check interrupt. So I've input this particular query for my question 3, so which selects the count as number of fatal logs, which is from the logs file, where weekday starts at Monday, and which the message is like for mission check interrupt. So we are using the session.sql query 3, which is the class name I've given here, and dot show, which shows the results. While running these two codes in order, we get the result for number of fatal logs, which is here 52. Moving on to the next question, which is the question number 6, which is for each day of the week, what is the average number of seconds over which the racing state events occurred? So for getting this, I've imported this query, which selects the day of the week and rounds the average number of racing events. And we are using the from command to select the date count, and which is from the logs as well. Where the message is like the resync state. We are going to group it by date and the day of the week and date. We are also going to order by the day of the week as well. So after running this, the results to be in a complete tabulated result, which is in which it displays the average resyncs event per day, as the number one gives the result of Monday, and the 2, 3, 4 until 7 the later on weeks. So moving on to the next question, which is the question number 19. On which date was the latest fatal app error where the message contains error reading message prefix? I've used this piece of query for my above question, and which in this query selects the max date as the latest error date from the logs file as well, where the error is the reading message prefix. So after running this piece of code, we get the latest date as 3rd of January 2006, as you can see here. So moving on to the next question, which is the question number 12. Uh, what are the top 5 most frequently occurring hours in the log? For that, we have to select the hours as of hour of the day and counts as frequency. From As usual, from the logs file, we're going to group it by hour, and we're going to order it by the frequency, and we're going I've also limited the number of results to 5. So after running this query, we get the top five results hours of the day, and with along with the frequencies listed in the tabulated column. Moving on to the next question, it's which is which node is generated the smallest number of KERN RTSP events. So which is so we're gonna select the node and counts as AppBC events count over total entries, and the rest of the codes are similar. So from logs, and well, the alert is like we're giving the alert name here, and we are grouping it by node and ordering by AppBC event counts. So after running this result, uh, the you can see here this is the last result, and the this is the node which gives us the required results, which in which the app is even counts as 22 and the total entries are 3394. So this is my project, and thank you.